What is that? Here we are outside the entrance of St. Paul's where everybody normally parks, and there's this random door that everyone drives by all the time. Let's go check it out. Come on. Welcome to the HVAC room. This is where we have our furnaces and a lot of pipes, our salt, our water treatment stuff. This is where all the stuff that keeps the church warm and cool during the year is stored. And you drive past it every time you leave St. Paul's in Eggertsville. We are so thankful for the giving that comes into this place that keeps this up. It's fairly new. It costs a lot of money for churches to replace that, and St. Paul's had to do it about 5 years ago. But it keeps our building warm, and that means all of our outside groups that come in for healing, along with our worship time and Sunday school, we all get to stay nice and warm and toasty because of this HVAC room. Hey, that's what this is.